It's Ahmed Abutalib, and now you're watching my pronunciation workshop. Well, I'm buying a notebook for my friend, but I can't decide between orange and blue. So, I asked the people.
I prefer the blue one to the orange one.
I prefer the blue one to the orange one.
I prefer the blue one to the orange one.
Now, everybody used the definite article the, and it wasn't stressed, but the pronunciation was slightly different.
I prefer the blue one to the orange one.
I prefer the blue one to the orange one.
I prefer the blue one to the orange one.
So, if not stressed, the pronunciation of the word the is changed based on the word that follows. If the next word begins with a consonant, the pronunciation is the. I prefer the blue color. If the second word begins with a vowel, the pronunciation is the. I prefer the orange one. Here, let's see some more examples. I think the autumn is the best time of year. The earlier I get up, the happier I am. Now it's your turn. Listen and repeat. I think the autumn is the best time of year. The earlier I get up, the happier I am. Thank you for listening. See you.